Exceptional living, squarely within reach. Welcome to Abberly Square Apartment Homes by HHHunt. Ready to satisfy your every need, our luxury apartments in Waldorf, Maryland are the perfect blend of urban sophistication and casual relaxation. Near Washington, D.C., just off Route 301, with fast access to public transportation and main roads like Route 5, I-495, and I-395, or the Indian Head Highway. We're the ideal location for anyone facing a daily commute. Residents enjoy the many resort-inspired amenities that this community offers. Indoor amenities include a clubhouse, billiards, social lounge, rentable banquet hall, and fitness center. If you're looking to connect outdoors, there's a pool, walking trails, pocket parks, dog parks, picnic areas, and more. We also offer garages, charging stations, and a car care center. Abberly Square Apartments is proud to offer you a curated collection of 19 distinctive and luxurious 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments for rent on flexible lease options. Designed with your well-being in mind, all our homes come with soaring 9 or 10-foot ceilings, triple crown moldings, and expansive windows so that you can enjoy plenty of natural light in your home. We're also pet-friendly, with no dog breed restrictions, and can provide furnished apartments upon request. All homes offer elevator access, valet trash service, and smart technology. If you need more storage, ask about our garages. All of this plus a management company with over 5 decades in apartment management, customer-focused staff, and 24-hour emergency maintenance. What are you waiting for? Please find out more about our stunning Waldorf, Maryland apartments by visiting liveabberlysquare.com. Abberly Square Apartment Homes by HHHunt are a part of the HHHunt Apartment Living brand. To find a list of all of our communities, please visit HHHuntapartmentliving.com.